Alright, so we got all the spray done, clear coat, polyacrylic. Here's what we got. This here is the entry table. It's a little short entry table. It kind of goes in front of a window too. So that's why it's a little shorter. Here's the coffee table. And pretty happy with how they turned out. With the pine, more of a rustic look. Kind of goes with the decor where it's going. Plus it kept it on the cheaper side, so pine's what we used. It's never the easiest to work with, but we made it work. Legs are just 2x4s cut down, run through the planer. Mitered on the bottoms for these, give a little bit more of a fancier look for what it is. Everything else is just one buys. One buy I get from Lowe's. But overall, it's a pretty cheap project, material wise. Takes a little bit more work sanding and stuff due to the fact it's pine, but I'm happy with it. I think my client will be too. That's what she asked for, so we'll see. We're all done. Calling it a night. Get these delivered here in a couple days. That's all. Have a good one.